Hello everybody. It's been a while since I posted on the channel here about BMW or about mechanic work. I've got a simple project here. This is my X5, my '08 BMW X5 3.0. It's got the n52k engine in it. And what we're doing right now is basically just swapping out a pair of Vanoses. Gonna take, got a code for the upper or intake Vanos. Changed the oil on it, did not take the coat away. That's normally what you would do first, is change the oil because the condition of the oil can affect operation of the Vanos. So the Vanos are also called the VVTs, or variable valve timing solenoid. So that's what we'll be changing here on this model. To get to it and to change it out, it's very simple. You'll only need a 13 millimeter, 10 millimeter, little screwdriver, and a little pick. What I use the pick for here is to pop loose the little clip on the return hose from the reservoir, and we do that to keep from breaking it. If you dealt with any of these X5s, X3s, this little column here always has this hose going around this, and there is not enough room to get it out from under here without taking that hose off. And there's often runoff hoses or secondary hoses that you can also easily snap off trying to get this cross member out. So always remember to take loose the return line and even the secondary lines if you need to before you pull the cross member out. So there you go. And remember, there's the pull wire to or your release wire for your hood lock there. So you'll pop that back onto the clips when you put that back in. And basically you're going to reach down there. You can see, got your number 10, number 10. Those are both. The top one is your inlet, bottom one is your exhaust. Here's a replacement. I won't give the brand or anything for that. These are just, I don't support any part supplier, so get what is best for you, best for your budget, and best for the vehicle that you have. Anyway, we're going to pop those out and simply disconnect them, push in that clip right there, push those off. They're easy. And then once we remove the 10 millimeter, I'll use the screwdriver to pop it out. It'll come out. We'll swap them right out. We'll make sure that when we do this, that we get the old O-ring out, because if it doesn't come out, you're going to jam this up and it's not going to set properly. And then we're going to, at the same time, we're going to take some oil and lube that O-ring up just a little bit. And we're going to take some oil and flow it across the new Vanos, and to prepare them to go in, pre-oil them, I guess you want to call it, and that'll be it. Just wanted to give you insight to a quick job here. In case you're planning to do your Vanos and think that it's a heavy job for this particular vehicle, it is not. So that's your tip for today. BMW X5 '08 with the 3.0 engine in it. Vanos swap.